All right, so if you want to organize your notes, tasks, or projects in Notion efficiently, creating a database is the best approach. In this step-by-step guide, I'll show you how to create a database in Notion. Yeah, from scratch, including adding properties, items, customizing views, and using templates so you can manage your workflow effectively. First, open Notion and create a new page. Click on plus New Page in the sidebar and give it a clear name for your project or purpose. This page will be the home for your database and related tasks. Next, choose the type of database you want. Notion offers table, board, list, calendar, gallery, and timeline views. For beginners, table is easiest, but you can switch later depending on how you want to visualize your data. Now add properties to your database. Properties can be text, number, date, select, multi-select, checkbox, or URL. These help track details like deadlines, status, priority, or assigned person. The right properties make managing and filtering your data much easier. Once properties are ready, start adding items. Each row represents a task or note, and you can fill in all the details. You can also add text, images, or files to make each item more informative and actionable. Switch between different views like board or calendar to see your data in a way that works for you. Apply filters, sorting, and grouping to stay organized. Templates and relations can save time and connect databases for complex projects. And that's it. That's how you create a database in Notion. From a blank page to a structured multi-view setup. Now managing your tasks, notes, or projects is way easier and more efficient. All right, that's it for this one. That's how you create a database in Notion. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.